Driven by something different means that you don't need to be the kind of social norm of what is popular and accepted, that you can still be absolutely incredible whilst dancing to the rhythm of your own music.
KODA's Driver Seat Initiative, it's for young people aged 16 to 25 to get them to reach their idea of success whilst supporting them with development of skills. It gives them links with other organisations and employers where they might be able to progress within their career. I think it says a lot about the organisation. I think it says that it actually cares about the next generation.
There was a bit of challenge when I was younger because my ideas were quite advanced, and I had some amazing teachers because they weren't preoccupied about our behaviour, they were preoccupied about our potential.
It's about looking for role models and showing examples of who have been in similar situations and see where they are now. So they're seeing the TV adverts with Paloma Faith in, and the message is getting across that it's okay to take that first step, it's okay to be different, it's okay to put yourself out there.
In the advert we've done for KODA, there's a lot of challenges in there, like being thrown out of dance school because my body changed, lots of auditions that I don't get accepted, and they often cast people who are very commercial compared to me.
There's so many of us that are creative at my age and younger, and all we need is that little bit of backing. And then out of nowhere, you'll see an entire generation of new artists, new filmmakers, new radio personalities.
I'm really honoured to be a part of the Driver's Seat Initiative. It's just the seeds of an idea that could potentially become a bigger thing and hopefully inspire other businesses to do similar.
The results have been amazing. It builds young people's confidence. And we wouldn't be able to do the fantastic work that we do without the support of organisations like KODA.
I know from me personally that I came across many people who made me feel special, and if I didn't feel that, then I wouldn't be sat on this chair now.